All right, everybody. All right. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little more seasoning on top of this here turkey, just for perfection purposes. But I want all y'all to know that this is what a turkey is supposed to look like. Now I know some people fry them, I know some people smoke them, and some people bake them, but nobody's got my recipe. And that means absolutely, well, Kenny got it, my son's got it. But that's about it. And he's not gonna do it. But anyway, this is for all the people out there, especially those who call me a scallywag, talking about they gonna smoke a turkey. Well, I'm gonna bring somebody a piece of this turkey, and she's gonna tell you better stay in lane, boy. But anyway, this is Dr. Lee. About to get my Thanksgiving turkey going. I can't let you see no more. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. Get it ready for the oven. I won't even tell you what temperature. I won't even tell you how long I bake it. But it's baked. So just think what happened if I smoked it. But then Sergeant Rosado will tell you about that, son. Stay in line.